Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege as Sandra Jacobs and part and parcel of the Inibos family to welcome you on behalf of the Board of Directors, on behalf of the management and the curator of the Inibos Arts Festival, John Anthony Burma. John, thank you for all the hard work you've done. Before I start, I would like to acknowledge our guests of honor here, the MEC. This is Nora Mashtangu Mabena. MEC, it's an honor to have you here at the exhibition tonight. The HOD, Mr. Nisi, thank you for being here. The management of the Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation. And also the head of tourism, Mr. Kulani Tetwa, who's also our guest here tonight. Ek kan ook nie nalat om elkeen van die kunstliefhebbers wat vanaand hier is te verwelkom en te sê baie dankie dat julle hier is. Ek het vanmiddag byna geskrik toe ek sien hoe baie mense het aangekondig dat hulle wel hierdie kunsuitstalling opening wil bywoon. Dit is 'n rekord aantal mense vir enige kunsuitstalling wat ons nog ooit by Inibos gehuisves het. Vanjaar is ons feestema die fees met hart. En ek glo dat daar is amper nie 'n beter plek vir 'n hartstaal om tot uiting te kom as in die visuele kunste nie. Daarom is dit vir my ongelooflik wonderlik dat die eerste amptelike funksie van Inibos 2015 die Inibos kunsuitstalling is. And it is my absolute honor to invite to the stage our MEC for the Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation, MEC Nora Mashtangu Mabena, to officially open this festival. Thank you, MEC.
Thank you very much, Program Director, Ms. Sandra Jacobs. The Provincial Executive Committee has taken a decision, made a commitment to support the Inibos Festival. The Inibos event promotes social cohesion, nation building once again. Social cohesion is the degree of social integration and inclusion in communities and society at large, and the extent to which mutual solidarity finds expression among individuals and communities. Working together, we can build a cohesive society in the province.